fake software is blacked out, so let's fix it. First, you need to check it's in software side issue or else hardware side issue. For this, I have one method. So here you can see at full charge at design capacity, it should be in equal state. If the full charge should be in higher mode and design state should be in lower mode, means there is a problem with your battery. So you need to replace the battery. So that's easily find out by all the device. So these are the method. So easily find out it's hardware or software. For this, let's fix it. First, we need to go for CMD and click run as administrative. Here you need to type the following text: power CFG, POWERCFG space / battery report. You need to type this and click enter, and it's the report will be saved on the C Windows System 32 battery report. So after that, you need to go to C drive, open the C drive and go to Windows and go to System 32, and here you need to search for battery report. Come down and search for battery report. So once you've done this, means the battery report is ready. Then after, you need to open the battery report and you need to scroll down the bottom side. You have seen this. At the same time, it should be equal at full charge, and design capacity should be in equal mode. Once it's in equal mode, then again have issue, means you can go with next step. Go to device manager, and here you need to go to batteries, and you need to update the drivers. Before that, you need to scan for drivers, and after that you need to update it. So first check if have any hardware changes, then after that you can update the drivers and make sure it should be up to date. So sometimes the drivers or updates are coming Windows updates also, so you can do it that also. So after that, you need to go to settings and click the Windows update, and if it isn't up to date, means okay. If it's not an up to date, means you need to update the Windows, and also make sure the pending installation and pending items should be downloaded and install it, okay. And after that, restart your PC. Thank you.